Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to include moringa in your diet. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is packed with essential nutrients. It boasts 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 9 times more protein than yogurt, and 15 times more potassium than bananas. This incredible plant can significantly boost your daily nutritional intake, supporting overall health and well-being. Let's explore simple ways to incorporate it. One of the easiest ways to enjoy moringa is by adding its powder to your morning smoothie. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons can transform your drink into a nutritional powerhouse. Blend it seamlessly with your favorite fruits, vegetables, and a liquid like almond milk or water. This method is fantastic for masking moringa's earthy taste, making it a delicious and convenient addition to your daily routine. Moringa can also be easily integrated into your everyday meals. Sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of moringa powder into your soups, stews, or even pasta sauces. For a fresh approach, add young moringa leaves to salads or stir-fries, treating them much like spinach. You can also cook the leaves lightly as a nutritious side dish. This versatility makes it simple to boost the nutrient content of almost any meal. For a soothing and healthy option, try moringa tea. Steep about 1 teaspoon of moringa powder or dried leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can enhance the flavor with a touch of honey and a squeeze of lemon. Beyond tea, moringa oil can be used in cooking or as a light salad dressing. If time is short, moringa capsules offer a convenient way to get your daily dose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.